Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your 3 add-ons to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have the cardstock add-on, the pattern paper, and the embellishment add-on. You can add 1, 2, or all 3. We also have the shots of life, which coordinate, so you can add that for more pattern paper and embellishments. Be sure to check out all the reveal videos at the end here. I will have them linked. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. We're going to take a look at the cardstock add-on first, and I leave the pattern paper up here so you can see the collections that they coordinate with, how well they coordinate. Also, it gives you ideas of how you can cross over into some of the other collections. So immediately when I laid the cardstock out, I just thought, oh my gosh, what Easter spring inspiration is all of this. I just love it. I'm ready for spring. For the cardstock add-on, you get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. You'll get 2 of one color and 1 of another. So this is great if you'd like to do double page layouts and you want to do them on cardstock. You'll have both of those there and ready. You can also mat your photos, do some die cuts, all kinds of things. So starting with Carta Bella's Secret Garden, you're going to get 2 sheets of Blossom and 1 sheet of Aquamarine. For On the Farm from Carta Bella, you're going to get 2 sheets of Dusty Rose and 1 sheet of Stonewash. For the photo play paper, This Happy Life, you're going to get 2 sheets of Butter and 1 sheet of Blush. And then the Simple Vintage Floral Shop, you're going to get 2 sheets of Turquoise Mist and 1 sheet of Lilac. Next, we're going to look at the pattern paper, and for the pattern paper, you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these are duplicates. There are 2 additional pattern papers for each one of those. So let's dig into those. This is some of my favorite part. So for the Secret Garden from Carta Bella, we have this gorgeous door print. You could also fussy cut some of these out for embellishments. Super cute. The back is this orange, kind of golden butter orange design. This paper is called Secret Garden Doors. Then we have the cut apart sheet here. We have some 4x6s and then we have 2x2s. Lots of options there, and this gorgeous floral print on the back. This one is Magic Journaling Cards. Look how well, so pretty. On the Farm from Carta Bella, we have this cut apart. So this is always fun when they do some borders. We have a border of tractors, a border of plaid, and then we have some 3x4 and 4x6, and then also some of these fun sizes here that you could cut apart and embellish with. The back is a wildflower print. That paper is called Multi-Journaling Cards. And then we have this fun tractor with the little geese running around and florals. The back is a green plaid, and that paper is simply called Tractors. From This Happy Life from Photo Play Paper, we have this frame of florals. This paper is called Sweet Hello. And then a tone-on-tone green floral print. Love papers like this that you can get lots of embellishments by fussy cutting. So this is the Guest Checks, and this paper is called Guest Check. So lots of fun there. You could put your journaling on here. You could also just use it in your clusters. The back is this fun textured blue print. And then Simple Vintage Flower Shop. Gorgeous turquoise color with all the ledger papers and the bright butterflies along the edge and the rainbow. The back is a gorgeous wood grain. It's so difficult to choose on papers like that. Then we have a floral print with a plaid on the back, and that one is called Beautiful. So one more look at all of your patterned papers. I think everyone's definitely going to want to get this one added this month. Our next add-on is the embellishment add-on, and so for this you're going to get extra embellishments for each of the collections. Again, none of these will duplicate. These are all different. So starting with Sweet Garden from Carta Bella, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet, so always lots of options there. For On the Farm from Carta Bella, you're also going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. We have this fun scalloped border down here in the plaid, a red plaid, lots of the farm animal icons, more banners, lots of good stuff. From the photo paper photoplay paper, this Happy Life, you're going to get some of the embellishment pieces. So this is about a half a pack, so these will vary. You'll get this half or the other half of the pack. And for Simple Story, Simple Vintage Floral Shop, you're going to get some of the foam phrases. So these will vary as well because these come two to a pack, so you get this side or the other side. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons. Be sure to check out all of the video links here at the end. Come and join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of challenges. My favorite's the Freaky Fast Friday, so be sure to join in on some of those where you can win some prizes. Check out everything that the design team's creating for you as inspiration, as well as your fellow subscribers. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.